Hey everybody, welcome to my review of the Yeezy Slide Glow Green. Now, I do have an on-foot section at the end of this, so you can see them on feet. These are brand new, they're size 9. I'm usually a size 8.5 or 9, but these I got in a 9, and they do fit pretty true to size, but I would suggest that if you want them to fit a little bit looser, to go up half a size, but if you do like them to fit like a shoe, like a glove, then I would go your typical size. This is the green glow color, super nice color, probably my favorite other than the orange. They are super comfortable. They are made by Adidas and Yeezy. And I did think that they glowed in the dark, but they don't, so that's kind of a negative, but that's alright. They're actually super comfortable. They don't go that well with a lot of things. They kind of look like moon slippers, so careful what you wear with them, but they do have some good grip on them, and they are super comfortable, and you can kind of like wear these with like as a daily shoe kind of thing because they're that comfortable. And you can see me slipping them on without socks. They fit nice, but when you put socks on, here's one tip: they're kind of like silicone-y. So if you have ever had one of those iPhone cases, a phone case that's silicone-y, and when you take it out of your pocket, it's super hard to take out of your pocket. It's the same kind of deal with these. When you have barefoot, it's okay, but when you put socks on and try to put them on, it's kind of a pain because the socks kind of like stick to the slipper, and it makes it really hard to get comfortable. I had to do this a couple times to do it, to make it feel comfortable, and the socks always got wrinkled. So maybe it's because they're my size and I should go up one more size. As you can see me trying to put them on here, you have to kind of like wiggle them in, and the back of the socks are still like crumpled up, and the front of the socks are super tight, so it's kind of like, I think I'd go up half a size, that way it'll be a little bit looser. But these are super cool, super slick, and an awesome summer shoe, and I would suggest you could wear these day to day. They're so comfortable, they fit like a shoe, and yeah, don't hesitate wearing them if you're going on long walks or whatever, because these fit and stay on really nice. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this review on Yeezy Slide Glow Green. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, and please subscribe for more videos. Thanks guys.